All right, my beautiful friends, you and me, we're together again at last. Post-market wrap-up on this lovely Tuesday. Another record-setting day, yeah. June 23rd, 2020. The NASDAQ closed at another record high. Let me see your shocked face. Yeah, shocking, isn't it? Yeah, very. No, it's not shocking at all. When you have this amount of twisting and rigging and the lies and propaganda, what else would you expect? I mean, this is not a real market. It's 100% managed by the new America. This is a new thing. Be sure to wear your New World Order symbol. Did you catch, real quick, they had some billionaire businessman out on CNBC today for a while. His entire narrative was how you, as a human being, should wear your mask because COVID-19 is here to stay. No medical degree and nothing at all. It's just a businessman trying to push the New World Order agenda. That's what this is. That's what the markets are. All of it. And it's just going to get much, much worse. All right, so look, let me get back on track here. New record high for the NASDAQ. Stocks higher across the board. Nothing major, but higher nonetheless. 10-year yield hovered around 0.72% all day. Crude oil could not hold gains. That muted stock market gains. Again, why? If crude is being bid up, energy gets bid higher. Financial stocks get bid higher. Lifts the whole market. That's the whole impetus behind crude oil right now. It's not real. The price action of crude oil is so twisted and so distorted. That's $41 a barrel. It should be less than half right now. Less than half of that right now today. But it won't be. It's got to be propped up in this environment. Cryptocurrencies were flat on the day. Gold and silver caught a bid. Okay, that's the way it's playing out here. Now, let's talk a little further. It's unbelievable to me, it really is. So we know the whole charade that was played out last night. Peter Navarro, the White House trade advisor to the president, did say it's over with regard to the U.S.-China trade deal. He denied it flatly. Then it came to his attention. Hold on a minute. We got you on video. So now it's, yes, I said it, but I did not mean it. Okay. That turned stock futures around. We got a gain out of this market instead of a 2,000-point loss. So we heard from the usual suspects today. You know, you could expect this would happen. Larry Kudlow, #1 economic advisor to the president, explaining, oh, no. The deal with China is still on. This is the same guy that said, yes, we have a deal, phase 1, but it has not been implemented yet. So I don't know how that works. You know, I'm not too bright, so maybe you could fill me in on that. Who else did they parade out? None other than Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin. Steve Mnuchin is saying he believes sincerely that China is going to live up to their part of the deal. Don't roll over dying laughing at that. I mean, this is the usual crew. You got Larry Kudlow, you got Steve Mnuchin, you got Peter Navarro. You know, they're like the henchmen for the president. But, you know, look, it's all a lie, all of it. There's nothing real here. It's a charade. I don't believe that these people are capable at all of uttering even the slightest thing out of their mouth that has even the most minute amount of truth. They just gotta lie. They gotta keep the propaganda. I mean, this is how it's working. New World Order, lies, distractions, propaganda. Where do lies come from? Let me ask you that. All right, for those of you that maybe have a belief in a higher power. Where do lies come from? Who's the king of lies? You're probably going to say it's the devil here, but it's these three, including the President of the United States. It's unbelievable that we cannot get the truth at all anymore. And they got the media outlets completely in lockstep, reading a script, keeping the masses, in their lulled state of acceptance here of the New World Order. You can't believe it, but it's true. All of this is real. It's as real can be. And I personally find it very, very, very frightening. So in summary here, just real quick. Yeah, new record high for the NASDAQ. Stocks are going up, especially if they're going to keep up the rhetoric, if they're going to keep up the easy money pouring into this market, the Federal Reserve buying assets, funneling dollars around the world. You all know this. It's unprecedented. It really is. It's unprecedented. In history, what we're seeing now. We are living in very, very interesting times. But look, you know what to do. If you're a trader, I got your back like nobody else. Period. The end. That's the truth. And I wasn't going to bring this up, but I'm going to. It has come to my attention, and I do not name names because I don't want to draw any attention to these people. Okay. There are bloggers out here that are using my stock picks verbatim right from my newsletter, my free newsletter, calling it theirs and telling people to buy them. I think that's, look, I'm all about us winning. You all know that. And I have no problem with people sharing my work, but at least give me the credit for it. You know what I'm saying? So, these people are claiming that it's their work. No, it's not their work. And does that bother me? A little bit. I want us all to win, but again, I'm not looking for medals or accolades. I just think honestly that I put a lot of work into this, and people should give credit where credit's due. Say, look, Greg Mannarino is saying maybe you should look at this particular option, but they're not doing that, and whatever. For those of you out here who did bring that to my attention, I want to thank you, but there's nothing we can do about it, and that's fine. Look, whatever. I got your back, and you know that. So with regard to the rest of this market, you got that covered too. Central banks are going to inflate like we've never seen. What does that mean? You need to be holding a hard asset, period, the end. Let them play their game. We're going to play our game. It's that simple. With regard to the more rhetoric and fake news that's going to flood the airwaves, it's going to continue here. Steve Mnuchin, China will. They will, I believe this sincerely, this is what he said, be keeping their end of the bargain. They're laughing. They're laughing over there. There's no bargain. There's no deal. It's just this back and forth mechanism, rhetoric. I'm going to hit them with tariffs. Remember the president? They're going to get tariffed to death. And then the audience, yay! No, I really didn't mean that before the crowds of thousands of people. I didn't mean that I was going to do it. I just was saying it so I can get your cheers because I have to mislead you all as well and make you look like fools. That's what the president is doing to his loyal followers. I just can't believe it. I mean, we're going to hit him with tariffs. We're going to do this. We don't need them. And all of a sudden, oh no, I'm sorry, no tariffs because we got to preserve the deal. The deal. The deal. You got it? All right, look, I'm sorry. It is what it is. This guy here loves you a lot. I really want you to share this video. Please do that. And I will see all of you in the morning. Oh, I forgot. Sorry. One more thing. I want to give a shout out to something here. It's possible that a few months ago, I was driving my Maserati, and, well, I got a speeding ticket. And I decided, what am I going to do with this lovely piece of paper? So instead of paying it and having points on my license and all this stuff like that, I said, I'm going to hire half-priced lawyers. Let's just give them a call. Well, I called these people. $50. I couldn't even believe it. I almost fell out of my chair here. For $50, they got it knocked down to a parking violation and like a small fine, no points, no nothing. So a big, fat shout out to Half Price Lawyers here in Las Vegas. This guy thanks you a lot. All right, now I'm really out of here. All right, love you.